Good day. Can you please introduce yourself?
Good day, sir. I am Krista Pascual Corpus, 24 years old, single, and living at Gomez Benito Sullivan, Isabela. I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters. I am 5th child of the family. I am a college graduate, cum laude, and I took Bachelor of Elementary Education, and by the God's grace, I am now a licensed professional teacher.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have experience as a housemaid, sir, during my studies in college. I work as a housemaid and I serve the 4 members of the family, 1 couple and 2 children, ages 14 years old and 7 years old. My duty or responsibilities is cleaning, cleaning, ironing, and washing, but my main responsibility is to teach or tutor the children. And I have also experience in teaching because it is required in on-the-job training. I taught grade 1 pupils. I teach them to read, write, and simple mathematics.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I monitor the child's condition, and if the illness gets worsened, I will inform the parents.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I describe myself as patient, trustworthy person, and hardworking. And also, I am caring, especially with children, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
None, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
None, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I want to build a future life and also to support my family.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take over your responsibilities at home?
My mother, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
Through the use of social media, I can contact them through Messenger and I will focus on my work, sir.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep at 10 p.m. and I wake up early as 5 a.m., sir, to start my duty as soon as possible.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I stay calm and patient. I speak gently, and of course, sir, I will guide them in a positive way.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I am willing to learn and easily to
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please select me because I am a trustworthy person. I am hardworking and patient, and I will do my best to do my duties and responsibilities.
Okay.